Univariate analysis examines a single variable to describe its distribution or characteristics. Bivariate analysis explores the relationship between two distinct variables, looking for correlation or comparisons. Multivariate analysis simultaneously investigates three or more variables to understand complex interactions and dependencies. Now, using Python and the TIPS dataset. For univariate, we might analyze just the total_bill column to see its distribution. For bivariate, we'd compare total_bill with tip to see if more expensive meals yield higher tips. For multivariate, we could examine total_bill, tip, and size to understand how group size influences both the bill and the tip amount.
Here's a short practical snippet demonstrating the concept.
The first plot, a histogram, shows the distribution of "total_bill" values, indicating that most bills are between $10 and $20. The second plot, a scatter plot of "total_bill" vs. "tip", clearly illustrates a positive correlation, where higher total bills generally lead to higher tips. The final set of plots, generated by "SNS", pairplot, provides a comprehensive view of the multivariate relationships. It not only shows the individual distributions and pairwise correlations of "total_bill", "tip", and "size", but also highlights how these relationships might vary across different days of the week, as indicated by the distinct colors for each day.